Hey guys, it's Carly, your health and wellness coach, and I am back to show you how you can make your own floor cleaner. So you don't have to go to the store and buy any expensive floor cleaner. It's nothing fancy. And this floor cleaner is kind of a multi-purpose floor cleaner. So if you've got tile, laminate, linoleum, vinyl, it really doesn't matter. This will work for all of them. So that's kind of the nice thing. You're going to want to start off with a glass bottle, and it's really easy. You just get yourself your funnel, and it's 1 cup of water. And I recommend distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, you could just boil it for a little while and let it cool down, so that way it has any of the impurities from the water that may be from the tap that is gone. After the water, you want to add a 1/2 cup of Castile soap. Now, some people decide to use vinegar instead. I tend to not really like that vinegary smell on my floors, so I choose to use soap. But if you don't have the soap, you can always use a combination of rubbing alcohol and vinegar as well. And my Castile soap is non-scented. You really don't want to add any extra scents to it. That is one reason I love my essential oils, because I know that the smells are coming directly from the plants. So then I grab, and that's it. Now I'm ready to grab my essential oils, and you can kind of play around with that at different times of the year. I might use different smells. You may not have all of the essential oils to choose from, which is totally fine. So for example, it's recommended to use pine. Well, I don't have any pine right now, but I do love the pine smell. However, instead I'm going to use a combination of On Guard, which I know is fantastic for killing those germs no matter how you use it, and Wild Orange, so I can get that orange smell in addition to this On Guard smell, which is a combination of a bunch of wonderful oils. So I recommend a total of 40 drops. So I'm going to do simply just 20 and 20. And 20 of my orange, and then 20 of my On Guard. There we go. And I go through my floor cleaner a lot between dog hair, and especially in the summertime where we might have those pop-up showers and it gets really muddy outside, and those dog paws are really good about bringing in that dirt. So hopefully you found this helpful and useful, and now you can start using your own natural floor cleaner, and you don't have to buy any. You don't have to have any of those toxins that are going right onto the floor and right into your feet. So now you are chemical free. Enjoy. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Please share, and I look forward to seeing you again.